In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a scatter plot and calculate Pearson's correlation coefficient in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file with the data you want to analyze. In this example, you have two columns, study hours in column A and exam score in column B. Make sure both columns include clear headers in the first row and that the numbers are entered underneath those headers. Having clean, consistent numeric data is important because charts and correlation will not work correctly if some cells are blank or contain text. Next, click and drag to highlight the full data range you want to plot. Include both columns and all the rows with values, including the headers. This selection tells Google Sheets which numbers belong together, so double-check that you did not accidentally miss a row or highlight extra empty cells. With the data still highlighted, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically insert a chart, and it may start as a column chart or another chart type. That is normal. Now click on the Chart Type drop-down inside the chart editor. It will often say something like Column Chart at first. Open that drop-down and select Scatter Chart. As soon as you switch to a scatter chart, each row of your table becomes 1 point on the graph, with study hours on one axis and exam score on the other. In this example, the points rise from left to right, which visually suggests a positive relationship between studying and scores. After your scatter plot looks correct, you can calculate Pearson's correlation coefficient to measure the strength of that relationship. Click any empty cell where you want the result to appear. Then type the correlation formula exactly like this. Equals CORREL, open parenthesis, the exam score range, comma, the study hours range, and close parenthesis. For the sample layout shown, that is equal sign, CORREL, B2, B7, A2, A7. Press Enter to calculate. You should get a result close to 0.989 for this dataset. Since the value is very close to 1, it indicates a very strong positive correlation, meaning as study hours increase, exam scores also increase in a consistent way. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.